Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this text effects, which is called halftone. I just got through making a video on how to make this one, and now we're going to do this one, which is a little bit more difficult, but it's just a few steps. Take you a rectangle about the size of your text, fill it with black, and then get rid of the outline. Now we have to take this color and turn it into a bitmap. And it doesn't really matter on what you set, but you're just going to set it to a bitmap. Let's zoom in here. Then we're going to make sure you're clicked on your item and go to bitmap and go to blur. And I'm not even going to try to butcher that name, but it's a way you can blur that object. Then go to bitmap, color transformation, halftone. And this is something you can really play with. You can't really, you just really have to play with it. I don't think the colors really matter because we're dealing only with black. So the colors really don't matter, so it's just a slide bar. Now you can change your dots to different sizes. So we want the dots pretty big. So that we'll call that good. Now we're going to take, since we've already got it selected, we're going to go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And it looks funny at first, but then take your, right here, to Edit Power Clip, and then just move your power clip down about halfway, or wherever you, it's really wherever you want it. And then just hit this box. And there's you a halftone. Now this is totally different than the one I just did. These dots are smaller, but this is something you can play around with. That's a pretty neat looking text. Anyway, so that's 2 ways to do something. Hope that answers their question, and thank you for watching.